So, yun na nga ang chika. For this video, samahan nyo akong mamili, mag-prepare, at magluto ng ating recipe for the day. Bago nga pala yan, dumaan muna ako dito kung saan bida ang saya at umorder ako ng paborito kong ino-order na pantanggal ng konting gutom, ika nga, bago tayo sumabak sa pagluluto. So, after nyan, dumiretso na tayo sa supermarket kasi ang ating main ingredient ay magandang binibili sa supermarket, which is chicken breast fillet. So, eto nga palang recipe na to ay highly requested sa office nila kuya. Kaya, kahit medyo mahirap at mabusisi, sige lang, go lang tayo ng go. And by the way, the full recipe is in the description below. Kaya, you can check it out after this video. So, ang ating recipe for today is chicken cordon bleu. So, meron tayong 1.5 kilo ng chicken breast fillet. Minarinate natin yan sa salt and pepper at paprika. Ang ating filling is ham, cheese, at bell pepper. Gravy ang gagawin natin. So, meron tayong half a cup ng flour, 1 chicken broth cube, liquid seasoning, salt and pepper, 4 cups ng water. At ang ating coating is breadcrumbs. Liquid butter is consist of half a cup ng flour, half a cup ng cornstarch, 1 egg, at konting tubig. Make sure malapot yung liquid butter nyo. So, unahin na natin yung gravy. Isa lang natin yung kalan. Maglagay tayo ng mantika. Okay lang mantika kung wala kayong butter. Tapos, ilagay nyo na yung chicken broth cube, flour, water, liquid seasoning, salt and pepper to taste. Halu-haluin nyo, pakuluin. Pag nakuha nyo na yung lasa at lapot, okay na yan. And then, pagdating naman sa chicken, i-roll yun natin sa loob yung ham, cheese, bell pepper. Isarado nyo using toothpick or kitchen twine or food grade ng mga sinulid. Tapos, i-coat nyo sa butter at breadcrumbs at i-deep fry. So, palamigin ng konti bago hiwain. At you can serve it with the gravy. At yan, okay na yan. Ready to serve na tayo. So, by the way, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up or a heart sign. And you can follow me here. I will highly appreciate it. Thank you. Bye.